Kinong yalam jongka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee menta kidang ap yakarai jongka All India Congress Committee lane ka AICC halor ban pinshitom mi ki Ngut ki MLA na ka party ki balaya Lait ki Kyndon jongka party. Laban kedau hangne banakaliang ki Ngut ki MLA jongka Congress Party ki bakenthop ya kanong yalam ka CLP ka kong amparin lingdo uba proses ti saukme uba kimfa bi marbanyang uba meral bonds im bad uba mohendro rapsang klem kanu ka jing pentip ki bor ki bahalor ki lalai ban pinyeso ilade bad ka sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ka sarkar bala senroplang da ka parti BJP. Habayakran bat kilat pathai khubor nakaliang Presiden ke MPCC uba Vincent H Pala ulayathu uba menta ka sengi ka jingilang ka CEC layakran halor ka jingshim rai jong ki Ngut ki MLA ban pinyaso ba ka sarkar MDA. Ulo ongru badon na kinong yalam ki bala ai jingmun badai ban shim ka sinjam ka bating persha ai kini ki MLA Namar ba ka parti hi kamla ban yapin ba ka rukam trekam ka parti kadba kila don ki ba ai jingmut ru badai ban ai porswa ai kini ki MLA bakin pensai halor kani ka sinjam ba kila shim bat kiwe ki jing ai jingmun. Ulaban rap susu banakaliang jong u komu presiden ke MPCC yakini ki jing ai jingmut un sapha sha Delhi ban bishar Namar ba kamdei hakabor ka jong u komu presiden ke MPCC bo unshim ya kanu ka rai halor kane ka benta. Uba pala ulo ongru halor kane ka sinjam jong ki Ngut ki MLA na kaliang jong ki he AICC kila ban shim ya ka rai ban suspend ya baro ki MLA na ka party but on sapha ya ka shokas notice shaki. Ulo ongru ban nakaliang ka jong u ka ban yania bar kanong yalam jong ka CLP ya ka baka kren Henry ki de ban sngothu baka Congress ka doni ki rules ya ka bakum ki MLA ka bakila ban le bat ka ka bakimla ban le.
Present scenario where all our MLAs had joined the MDA government. In the meeting, there was a few leaders who suggest that we should take a strong action against the MLA. We cannot compromise our ideology. There are also a few leaders, because Rapsang also was there, Meralbon was there. They also suggest that give them time for some time. There are also a few leaders who said that I think it's time for the Congress to think properly how to evolve with whom we work. But Meral has said that if we can work together in Maharashtra with the Shiv Sena, why not working here? So like that, different views. But as soon as I complete my, there was a, you see, there was a decision last time that they should support on things, but that time also did not take decisions. But the parties thought that okay, for the inclusion of the Khasi language and Garo language in the 8th schedule, for the participating in the committee for the solution of the boundaries, for the ILPs, we are ready to do that, because that has been also agreed and resolved in the floor of the House in the Assembly by successive governments. So those is not, there's no problem. But the present one is not that. The present one is different. So there's no link between that issue base and now. So I don't want to argue with the CLP what she said and what she said. I think the Congress, we have rules. We Congress, we have the constitutions. In the Congress, we have who is going to do, who's going not to do. I think we'll go strictly by the rules. We'll go strictly by the constitutions of the Congress. So I don't want to land in arguments with different. She may be right or she may be wrong. I think the constitutions and the rules will say, like I've said, is beyond my jurisdiction. But the High Command, I think this is not the first case we have experienced. We have experienced this in Nagaland. We have experienced this in many other states also. So I think that will answer exactly what she wants. Sir, I will send the letters of different suggestions to Delhi. It's out of my jurisdiction to take action against the CLP and MLAs. That action will be taken by the High Command. So the action will be taken by the command after we give the reports. So definitely maybe at night I'll get the direction, and I may not be here because my mother is serious. I have to go home. But maybe tomorrow I'll request Panchkai Sim and Baroni to give a press briefing, whatever the outcome of the sanctions given by the High Command. But tentative, I can boldly say that the High Command is not in favor of 5 MLAs joining the MDA when I discuss with them now over phone. So definitely they'll take an action. They told me that they'll be having a meeting. They'll take appropriate actions. So likely, I think the MLAs may be suspended. What I could hear, whatever they say, the MLAs may be suspended, and then a show cause notice will be given to them why they should not be expelled because of they have not taken a decision before joining the MDA government. So these are the few things which we have had a meeting and had a discuss in short with the High Command because they are standby waiting for me to talk to them after the meeting.